Part 2 of the dissection of a sheep's brain. I was looking through my papers and I noticed that there's 4 questions that I didn't answer, so I wanted to go ahead and take care of that now. The first one is the choroid plexus, where they're found and what their location is, and I've determined that this is the choroid plexus. And the function is that it acts as a blood-brain barrier, including the cerebral spinal fluid. It maintains the internal environment of the brain and separates that from the rest of the body when in regards to the blood and the CSF. So that's the first question. And the folding in the sheep brain compared to humans. That's kind of a interesting question because I see the gyri all here, and it just doesn't look anything like a sheep's brain, really. There's no real ridges. It's kind of flat, and it just doesn't look as profound as a human brain. There are very real ridges in a human brain. There are more, and the more that you have, the more I don't want to say intellect, but the more that you have stored in here as far as how you can function and whatnot. The cerebellum in the human is divided into 2 portions, but the sheep only has 1, and that's because of our complex body. The cerebellum is really kind of in charge of homeostasis. It regulates our body's balance and movement, and so it would probably, I believe it would be why ours is so much larger than the sheep's. And lastly, the brainstem that we have. The difference between the brainstem in the sheep and the brainstem in a human is that the brainstem is more lateral in the sheep, because the sheep is on 4 legs, and so it's kind of lateral with the spine and the head and the brain. So it's all going left to right, sort of. And in the human, we stand upright on 2 feet. And so we have our cerebrum, and our brainstem would go down or inferiorly because we stand upright. And I hope I answered the questions to your satisfaction. Thank you.